Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to the 55th episode of Campus This Week. I am Arjani from English Department Sonada 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Siliguri alumnus of 2016 batch. Siliguri, first Recta Cup football tournament held. Smriti Ghataraj of BA program 4th semester reports.
The first Rector's Cup football tournament organized by the Sports Association of Salesian College Siliguri was held on Monday, 9th of May 2022, on auspicious day of Rabindranath Jayanti. A total of 6 teams participated in the event. The participating teams were Inspiria Knowledge Campus, Sikkim Manipal University, Salesian College Sonada Brothers, Salesian College Sonada Students, Indian Institute of Legal Studies Siliguri, and Salesian College Siliguri. Each team consisting of 17 players and 1 coach. Our Vice Principal, Father Dr. Saju Pintusheri and Father C.M. Paul were the chief guests of the day. The matches begins in the grilling heat of the day. The first and second round were tightly contested and Salesian College Siliguri managed to win both the round and reached the final of first Rector's Cup 2022 to be played against Inspiria Knowledge Campus. Inspiria team lifted the trophy as Salesian gave a really tough fight but were defended in the penalty shootout. After the score were tied at 3-3, Salesian bagged 2 individual award, one for the best player won by Angeles Tamang of Education Department and other for the top scorer won by Prajwal Chetri of Physical Education.
Siliguri, Substance Abuse Awareness Program held. Natasha Gurung of Sociology Department 6th semester reports.
The director of Trichy Foundation, Siliguri, Mr. Vivek Rai and his team facilitated an awareness program on substance abuse on 5th May 2022. Jointly organized by the Department of Sociology and Social Work, students from Mass Communication, English, Political Science and Education participated. The resource persons, all recovering addicts, shared their recovery stories. The team performed a skit entitled Out of Shadows, explaining various aspects of the addiction disease. The skit depicted the story of a young boy getting into a substance abuse, how it affects every aspect of life, and addresses the idea of rehabilitation, which was heartwarming. The skit was followed by question and answer session with active participation of the students.
Siliguri, Media Association holds photography workshop. Saloni Bansal of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
Media Association of Salesian College Siliguri organized People Photography Workshop on 6th May 2022. The guest for the session was Apratim Shaha. Apratim Shaha is the contributing photographer, National Geographic, Stocky Photography, Getty Images and Stocksy United. He is the brand ambassador and global brand ambassador of Canon. He is a commercial photographer specializing in people photography with 36 years of experience. Anchor Aditi Agrawal welcomed the guests and the audience. Father C.M. Paul presented Khada to the respected guest. Pratim Shaha started the session with the sharing about his journey as a photographer. He showed his photograph to the students and shared the background story related to them. He further said some of the qualities that we as a photographer should have in order to approach to our subject. He continued with his speech by explaining the students about different type of feature of the camera, like aperture, shutter speed and ISO. He explained the working of each of the features of the camera. He further continued by explaining the students about editing. He explained how and when is the editing done. He gave his conclusion speech by saying that a good photograph should speak about the story. Ravi Bhushan Singh, the head of the Department of Mass Communication, presented the token of appreciation and vote of thanks.
Sonada, Skit on Real People, staged 2 shows on demand. Prabhakar Khawas of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
On 5th May 2022, the students from English Department of Salesian College Sonada organized 2 shows of a skit named Real People, based on a book called Anxious People by Frederick Backman. Anirudh Sharma of English Department 4th semester wrote the script for the 10-character skit. The morning show started right after the morning assembly and afternoon show started after the lunch break in the AV hall. The show mainly focused on human empathy and showed how all people are similar at heart and how all people should be given second chances.
Sonada, 14 students from Holy Cross College Trichy arrived for internship program. Shreyashi Saha of Mass Communication 4th semester reports.
5 boys and 9 girls arrived in Salesian College on 6th May for a 2-week internship program with Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. Faculty members Ms. Shirley Deepak, Media Relations Officer, and Sister Jasmine, Assistant Professor of Visual Communication, accompanied them. On 9th May, Mass Communication Department organized a 1-day photographic workshop with the help of Salesian College Sonada alumnus and famous Darjeeling photographer Mr. Vijendra Pradhan. He taught many new and modern skills of photography. The session was very informative for the students, which ended with questions and answer sessions along with practical. Mr. Pradhan was awarded Darjeeling Photographer of the Year 2016 and awarded as the proud top #2 India's Photographer of the Year 2021.
And here's our photo of the week. Salesian College Siliguri Women's team participating in 3x3 Indian National Basketball League held in Guwahati, Assam. They reached semi-finals and lost against Railways team on 8th of May 2022. This show is brought to you by Siliguri Alumnus 2016 batch. Those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.